Tamales de Chicharo Prensado en Salsa Rosa. A delicious Mexican main course recipe. This recipe serves 12 to 15 tamales. Preparation takes about 60 minutes. And cooking takes around 90 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 4 cups masa harina, 1 1/4 cups pork lard, 3 to 4 cups chicken broth, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 pound chicharo prensado, 5 pieces guajillo chilies, 2 pieces ancho chilies, 2 pieces Roma tomatoes, 3 cloves garlic. Step 1. Begin by soaking the dried corn husks in a large pot or sink filled with hot water. Place a heavy plate on top to keep them submerged for at least 45 to 60 minutes until they are pliable. Step 2. Prepare the chili base, toast the guajillo and ancho chilies in a dry skillet over medium heat for 30 seconds per side until fragrant. Submerge them in hot water for 15 minutes to soften. Step 3. Blend the soaked chilies, roasted tomatoes, garlic, onion, oregano, and cumin with 1 cup of the chili soaking liquid until completely smooth. Strain the sauce through a fine mesh sieve. Step 4. In a large skillet over medium heat, add the chopped chicharo prensado. Cook for 5 minutes until it starts to release its own fat and becomes slightly crispy. Step 5. Pour the strained salsa over the chicharo. Reduce heat to low and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the sauce has thickened and the meat is tender. It should be moist but not runny. Set aside to cool. Step 6. In a large stand mixer or bowl, beat the pork lard with the salt and baking powder until it is light, airy, and resembles white frosting, about 5 minutes. Step 7. Gradually add the masa harina to the lard, alternating with splashes of the warm chicken broth. Continue beating until the dough is smooth and soft. Step 8. Perform the float test. Drop a small pea-sized ball of masa into a glass of water. If it floats, your masa is light enough for fluffy tamales. If it sinks, beat in a little more lard or broth. Step 9. Pat the corn husks dry. Take a husk and spread about 2 to 3 tablespoons of masa onto the smooth side, forming a square in the center but leaving the top third and the sides clear. Step 10. Place 1.5 tablespoons of the cooled chicharo filling in the center of the masa square. Step 11. Fold the sides of the husk inward so the masa envelopes the filling completely. Fold the narrow bottom tail of the husk upward. Step 12. Prepare a steamer pot, tamalera, with water just below the rack. Stand the tamales upright with the open end facing up. Cover with extra husks and a damp cloth, then the lid. Step 13. Steam over medium heat for 75 to 90 minutes. Check the water level halfway through and replenish with boiling water if necessary. Step 14. The tamales are done when the husk peels away easily from the masa without sticking. Remove from heat and let them rest for 10 to 15 minutes to firm up before serving. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.